Welcome to Tractor Flips for Dummies. We are on our way to go get a free John Deere tractor. We're going to grab some gas and take about a 30-minute trip. Beautiful country drive to go get this tractor. Should take me about 30 minutes. Look how nice that is. Okay, we got it home. I actually left it on the trailer overnight. Had some family plans, but you can see I got a little condensation there. I was just looking at it and noticed that the battery cables were like really rusty, so they're gonna need cleaned up. And another thing I noticed was the filter here. That's no good. So couple things there. So between the battery, the cables needing cleaned, and that filter there, I think I might be able to get it running again. They said it quit running last year. So this is a Kohler Command 12.5, and we're going to try to get it running. But everything is here except the hood, but I got a solution to that. I have something in the works. This is a John Deere STX38. Free tractor. We're going to move on to the next phase here, but I just wanted to kind of do like a walk around just to show what it looked like. The deck, everything seems to be in a good condition. I mean, it's a free tractor. I can't be too picky. The seat looks really comfortable. Looks like it's been changed at one time. I believe they're like yellow seats or something, but they did a heck of a job with the replacement. I guess it's got the key, and everything seems to be here. Anyway, we're gonna move on and see if we can get that gas line fixed and the battery back in it, and see if it cranks over, and some fuel. I was able to replace the fuel filter, and I ended up getting it running. I threw a little gas in it, but one thing I noticed is a key switch doesn't work. So I'm doing an old-fashioned method, positive to the positive, negative to the negative, negative to the frame, and we'll hit it. See, it runs. It's running again. Doesn't run too bad. So it's either got a bad solenoid or a bad key switch, and we'll throw a hood on it, clean it up, and we'll be moving on to the next. We're going to see if she'll cut. We got a button over here. Fuck. We're going to see if she cuts. Looking good so far. We're gonna turn around and check out our pass. That looks good. Looks good. She runs good. We're gonna throw the hood on her, clean her all up, grease and oil everything, part 2. This has been Tractor Flips for Dummies. Thanks for watching.